Let me show you what I saw a student do last year to solve this problem. First, he measured the pencil with a standard ruler. He lined up the 0 mark with the start of the pencil and then checked to see which number was closest to the end point of the pencil. About how many inches long is this pencil? Say it out loud. Right, 5 inches. So we know that when we measure with a standard ruler, our pencil is 5 inches long. Then the student marked the starting point on this ruler and he marked the end point. Next, he found the length by counting the units. Count with me. I'll mark them with my pencil as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stopped when I got to the end point. How many units did we count? Say it out loud. Right, 5 inches. So when we measured with a standard ruler, we figured out that our pencil was 5 inches long. And when we counted the units on this ruler, we also figured out that the pencil covered 5 inches. So is Jacob correct? How do you know? Say your answer out loud. I bet you said that Jacob is correct because if we line the pencil up at the 0 mark, it's 5 inches long. And if we start at the 3-inch mark, like we did here, and we count the units, it's still 3 inches long. So why does this work? Say your answer out loud. I bet you said that it works because the size of the object doesn't change. Only the position on the ruler changed. And we count the units instead of looking at the last number that matches up with the endpoints to find the length. So, are you sure that our pencil isn't 8 inches long? Say it out loud. I bet you said no, it's not 8 inches long. Why not? Say your answer out loud. Right, the pencil isn't 8 inches long. That's just where the pencil ends on the ruler right now. But when we measured it with an actual ruler, or when we counted the units, we figured out that the total length of the pencil was 5 inches long. Nice work. I saw another student use a different strategy. Let's try that one now. Here's what this student did. This student looked at the endpoint and saw that it was at 8 inches. So he wrote down 8. Then he looked at the starting point and realized it started at 3 inches. So he subtracted 3. This student solved 8 minus 3 and got an answer of 5 inches. Why does this strategy work? Think about it, and when you have an idea, click to the next slide to type or record your answer.